Hi guys, here we've got Samsung Galaxy A03 and let me show you how to perform a soft reset of this device. So basically all you have to do is tap on power button along with the volume down button, hold them together, keep holding, and once you see the logo or you feel the vibration, you can release the buttons and wait till your phone is rebooted. And that's it, that will be all. As you can see now, you can smoothly use your device. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.